Papi the Parrot perched high on a branch, observing the world below. One sunny afternoon, a group of kids wandered into the park, looking despondent. Intrigued, Papi squawked, "What troubles you, young adventurers?" The kids shared their struggles with friendship, wishing to fit in. With a flop of his wings, Papi flew down, exclaiming, "Let me share my colorful journey." He narrated how he had once tried to blend in with bland-toned birds, but realized his vibrant feathers made him unique. "Embrace who you are," he encouraged, surprising the kids with his heartfelt wisdom. They left the park inspired and ready to celebrate their own uniqueness, thanks to Papi's uplifting message.